सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का साइंस वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन गुजरात बोर्ड सेकंड लेसन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रेंड्स एंड फो। सो इस वीडियो में ये वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा, ठीक है। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस है। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द फॉलोइंग इज एन एंटीबायोटिक, द आंसर इज स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन बी। Second, carrier of malaria causing protozoan is female male Anopheles mosquito. Third, which of following disease is caused by a virus? Is caused by a virus. Answer is polio. Fourth, by which of the following is dysentery caused? The answer is B. Protozoa. Which microorganism causes typhoid? The answer is A. Bacterium. 6. Which of the following is bacterial disease? The answer is A. Cholera. Which of the following microorganism have chlorophyll? The answer is C. Algae. 8. What is the fungus seen on moist on or stale bread called? The answer is mold. 9th. Which of the following is alga? The answer is Chlamydomonas. 10th, which of the following is not an antibiotic? The answer is D. Aspirin. 11th, which of the following is responsible for the spread of tuberculosis? The answer is A. Air. 12th, by whom is a disease cholera spread? The answer is B. Water. Which disease has been eradicated from the world? The answer is C. Smallpox. 14th, which of the following was invented by Alexander Fleming? The answer is penicillin. 15. Against which disease does BCG vaccine give protection? The answer is A. Tuberculosis. Page number 18. 16. By what does AIDS cause? The answer is A. Virus. Question 2, filling the blanks. First, microorganism can be seen with the help of microscope. Second, blue-green algae fix nitrogen directly from air to enhance fertility of soil. Third, alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. Fourth, cholera is caused by bacteria. Fifth, tuberculosis is caused by bacteria. Sixth, malaria is caused by protozoan. Seventh, Dr. Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for chicken pox. 8. A technique to make microbes free milk was discovered by Louis Pasteur. 9. The bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. 10th. The use of fungi is the necessary in the baking industry for making bread, cake and pastries. 11th. During alcoholic fermentation process, carbon dioxide gas is produced. Question 3rd, answer the following question in one words. In first question, which disease is spread by female Anopheles mosquito? The answer is malaria. Second, what is full form of TB? The answer is tuberculosis. Third, who discovered the Bacillus anthracis bacterium? The answer is Robert Koch. Fourth, which protozoan has the shape like a chappal or slipper? The answer is Paramecium. Which unicellular microorganism has irregular shape? The answer is amoeba. 6. Milk is heated to a proper temperature and the suddenly chilled to prevent the growth of microbes. What is this process called? Pasteurization. 7th, who is the carrier for dengue virus? The answer is female Aedes mosquito. Which unicellular microorganism is autotrophic? The answer is Chlamydomonas. Question 4, mark the following statement, यानी ये true false है. In first question, chicken pox is caused by virus. True. Aspergillus is a protozoan. The answer is false. Page number 19. Third, yeast is a multicellular fungus? The answer is false. Fourth, lactobacillus are disease causing bacteria? False. Fifth, rust of wheat is caused by bacteria? False. Sixth, common salt and edible oils are common chemical generally used to check the growth of microorganism? True. Question 5, answer the following question in one sentences. In first question, what are the major groups of microorganism? The answer is there are 4 major groups of microorganism. First point, bacteria. Second, fungi. Third, algae. Fourth, protozoa. Second question, give the name of any 4 viral disease. The answer is viral disease are common cold, influenza, rabies, hepatitis, polio. Third question, give the name of any 4 bacterial disease. The answer is bacterial disease are cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia and anthrax. Question 4, give the name of disease caused by protozoa. The answer is malaria and amoebic dysentery disease caused by protozoum. Question 5, give 3 name of protozoa. The answer is protozoa are fungi, amoeba, plasmodium. Sixth question, give 3 name of fungi. The answer is the name of fungi are scabies, zenema, ringworm, etc. Seventh question, from which is antibiotic production achieved? The answer is from certain bacteria and fungi antibiotic production is achieved. Question 8, state any 4 name of antibiotic. The answer is the name of antibiotic penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. Question 9, how does food poisoning occur? The answer is food poisoning occur due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganism. Question 10, give 2 name of chemical preservatives. The answer is chemical preservatives are benzoates, nitrates and sulfides. 11 question, what are called communicable disease? The answer is microbial disease that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable disease. Page number 20, question 6, define. In first point, fermentation. The answer is the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by yeast is called fermentation. Second question, pasteurization. The answer is the milk is heated to about 70% temperature for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. This is called pasteurization. Question 7, answer the following question in short. In first question, state the commercial use of microorganism. The answer is first point, they are useful in production of various dairy products such as curd, cheese, paneer, etc. Second, yeast is used in the baking industry for making bread, pastries and cakes. Third point, microorganisms are used on the large scale for the production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Question 2, state the medicinal use of microorganism. The answer is production of antibiotics can be done by culture of specific microorganism. A number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Such antibiotics are used to treat different diseases. Second, vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganism to protect human and other animals from several diseases. Question 3, how is vaccine helpful to prevent the occurrence of disease? The answer is dead or weakened microbes introduced as vaccine in a healthy body. The body fight and kills them by producing suitable antibiotic. The antibiotics remain in the body and we are protected from the disease causing microbes. This is how vaccine helpful to us to prevent from the occurrence of disease. Page number 21. Fourth question, state any 4 usefulness of bacteria. The answer is usefulness of bacteria. In first point, to make milk product like curd, cheese, paneer, etc. Second, nitrifying bacteria, for example, Rhizobium fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil and make the soil fertile. Third, they decompose sewage waste and other organic waste and convert them into simple substances. Fourth point, to prepare vaccines and antibiotic. Question 5, state any for use of fungi. The answer is the use of fungi. In first point, it is used to prepare bread and cake in a bakery. Second, yeast is used to prepare alcohol by fermentation process on natural sugar, wine from fruit juice, and dhokla, idli and dosa from the mixture of flour of rice and pulses. Third point, penicillin is obtained from the fungus penicillin. Fourth, some species of fungi known as mushroom are used as a food. Question 6, how do pathogen enter our body? The answer is pathogen enter our body through the air, we breathe the water, we drink, or the food we eat. They also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. Question 7, how is housefly responsible for the spread of a disease? The answer is housefly is a carrier of disease causing microbes. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogen. Whoever eat the contaminated food is likely to get sick. By this way, housefly is responsible for the spread of a disease. Page number 22, 8th question, how can we control the spread of malaria or dengue? The answer is female Anopheles mosquito act as a carrier of material parasites and female Aedes mosquito acts as a carrier of dengue viruses. To control the spread of malaria or dengue, we should control the carriers. This can be done by following all mosquitoes breed in water. Hence, one should not let water to collect anywhere in cooler, tires, flower pot, etc. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Question 8, explain giving scientific reasons. In first question, microorganisms are considered as friends and enemies of human being. The answer is in first point, microorganisms are useful in many ways to human being and other organisms. Second point, they are useful to make curd from milk, to prepare idli and dosa, to bring fermentation, to prepare antibiotics, vaccine, etc. Third point, some microorganism causes disease like malaria, cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, polio in human, thus they are harmful also. Fourth, so due to microorganism usefulness as well as harmfulness, they consider as friend and enemies of human being. Question 2, bacteria are universal. The answer is in first point, bacteria are found on the soil, in water, in air and in the bodies of organism. Second, bacteria are present in snow covered, rain and desert also. Third point, there is no place on the earth where bacteria are absent, so bacteria are universal. Third question, water should be boiled and then used during an epidemic. The answer is in first point, during an epidemic, microorganism enter water reservoir through the clothes, utensils, etc., urine, vomit, etc. of a patient. Second point, water in reservoirs get contaminated. Third, diseases are caused by drinking such water. Fourth, on boiling water, the microorganism in it are destroying, so water should be boiled and then used during an epidemic. Next page 23, page number in fourth question, food should always be covered The answer is in first point, housefly act as a carrier of a disease causing microbes and responsible to spread disease like cholera, typhoid, etc. Second point, the flies sit on the garbage and animal, etc. Pathogens stick to their bodies. Third, when these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. Whoever eat the contaminated food is likely to get sick. Fourth, so for to keep the food safe from contamination, it should always be covered. सो अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, ठीक है, ताकि दूसरों को भी हेल्प मिल सके। और आपको एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि आपने बहुत सारे कमेंट्स किए, सो थैंक यू फॉर कमेंट मी कि आपको मेरे वीडियो पसंद आते हैं, मेरा चैनल पसंद आता है, ठीक है। और कुछ भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी आपको हेल्प चाहिए हो तो ज़रूर बता दीजिएगा, ठीक है। और ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट करते रहिएगा, यानी मुझे भी मोटिवेशन मिलेगा आपके लिए कुछ ना कुछ ज़्यादा काम करने के लिए, ठीक है। सो चलिए आगे बढ़ते। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, राइट 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंसेस ईस्ट मोल्ड। इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ईस्ट इज अ unicellular fungus. Mold, first point, mold is a multicellular fungus. Yeast, second point, it is beneficial fungus. Mold, second point, it may beneficial or harmful fungus. Fungus and alga. Fungus, in first point, there is no chlorophyll or other pigmentation their cells. Alga, in first point, there is chlorophyll or other pigmentation in their cells. Second, they are mostly white or black. Algae, second, they are green of different color. Third, viruses and bacteria. Viruses, in first point, as viruses are very minutes, they can be seen with an electron microscope only. Bacteria, in first point, bacteria can be seen with a compound microscope. Second, viruses, in second point, they do not have cellular structure. Bacteria, second point, they possess cellular structure. Page number 24, question 10, classify. First, classify the following microorganism into bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. Bacteria, red shape. Fungi, penicillium. Algae, Spirogyra, protozoa, Parasonium and amoeba. Protozoa, Paramecium and second amoeba. Question 2, classify the following disease as bacterial disease, viral disease, protozoa disease, fungal disease. Bacterial disease, the answer is cholera, Zika, typhoid, TB. Viral disease, polio, hepatitis, influenza. Protozoan disease, amoebic dysentery, malaria. Fungal disease, ringworm. Question 11, match the following properties. First column, protozoan, the answer is D, causing malaria. Rhizobium, second का A आंसर है, फिक्सिंग नाइट्रोजन. लैक्टोबैसिली, थर्ड का E आंसर है, सेटिंग ऑफ कर्ड. ईस्ट का C आंसर है, दैट इज बेकिंग ऑफ ब्रेड. कॉलम A, second point, leguminous plant, the answer is D, rhizobium. Milk, the answer is C, polio. Preservative, the answer is A, sodium benzoate. Fourth, BCG vaccine, the answer is B, tuberculosis. Page number 25, question 12, answer the following question in detail. First question, write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganism in our lives. The answer is the usefulness of microorganism our lives are as follow. First, lactobacillus bacteria convert milk into curd. Second, unicellular fungi, that is yeast, used to prepare cheese, paneer, bread, cake, pastries, etc. Third, yeast is used in production of industrial alcohol. Fourth, yeast also used in production of idli, dosa, khaman, etc. Fifth, a fungi known as mushroom used as food. 6. Penicillin, antibiotic obtained from fungi, penicillin. 7th, rhizobium bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and increase the soil fertility. 8. Certain bacteria are used to produce vaccine. 9. Certain bacteria and fungi play a role as decomposer and decompose organic waste into harmful and usable simple substances. Question 2. Write a short note. Common method of food preservation. The answer is spoilage of food preserved by preventing the growth of microbes in it such a way that its nutritive value is maintained. This is called food preservation. The common method of food preservation are as follow. In first point, chemical method, sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfate are common preservative used in the jam and squashes to check their spoilage. Second point, preservation by salt. Salting is used to preservation amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. Meat and fish are covered with a dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Third point, preservation by sugar. The answer is jams, jelly and squashes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria which spoil food. Or preservation by oil and vinegar. Fourth point, preservation by oil and vinegar. Use of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such environment. Vegetable, fruits, fish and meat are often preserved. Page number 26. By this method, fifth, heat and cold treatment. Milk is boiled and then keep in refrigerator. Food is also keep in refrigerator. Low temperature inhibits the growth of microbes. 6. Storage and packing. Dry fruits and even vegetable are sealed in airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. Activities. First, to observe microbes in pond water. First, apparatus and material. The answer is Baker's slide microscope, pond water. Procedure. First point, take some water in beaker from pond. Second, take 1-2 drops on glass slide and spread on it. Third, observe the slide under the microscope. Observation. Many different microscopes are seen. Conclusion. Microbes occur in pond water. Second activity, to observe growth of yeast in soft dough maida. Apparatus and material, half kg maida, sugar vessel, warm water, yeast powder. Procedure. In first point, take half kg maida in a vessel. Second, add some sugar and mix with warm water. Third, add a small amount of yeast powder and knead to make a soft dough. Fourth, observe after 2 hours. Page number 27. Observation. Dough of maida rises and becomes soft. Reason. As the dough rises and proof carbon dioxide is formed, this is why the dough volume increases. Conclusion. Growth of yeast occurred in dough of maida. Third activity, to observe fermentation process occur by yeast in sugar. Apparatus and material, beaker, sugar, yeast powder, water. Procedure. Take a 500 ml beaker filled up to 3/4 with water. Second, dissolve 2-3 teaspoon of sugar In it, third, add half spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. 4. Keep it covered in a warm place for 4-5 hours. 5th, now smell the solution. Observation: alcoholic smell come from sugar solution. Conclusion: the sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.